Nothing. You shut up. That's why Doug's on medication. This is why Doug's on medication. Dude, after you did that, my camera was fuzzy for like 5 seconds.
What medication?
What? Stitch him. Run! Look, it's Doug and his family. They've come to take him home. We should probably wait though, because Doug gets lost easily.
I noticed. I was on the phone with your mom when you were trying to find him.
He walked to look at some guy.
I don't know, and I really don't care. But
Mary Jane.
comes up. And the guy said, so he had a tree branch, a very low tree branch. See that tree? And the bad part was the mark.
I know. I know you do.
The marks from
Somebody's had a little bit too much.
What?
Somebody's had a little bit too much. Just one question, where are we going?
I'm following you guys.
Let's turn around and go back this way. Let's go towards the people, where the attack's gonna happen.
We just walked away from the.
But we didn't go that way. Let's go that way now.
That way?
That,
Or that way?
no, that way.
That way?
This way.
Or that way?
This way.
That way?
Chill out.
Make up your mind. Is it that way or that way or that way? Whatever.
Doug, we're going this way.
We're going that way.
No, we're going this way.
That way.
This way.
That way.
This way.
I'm just gonna go, and you guys apparently are gonna follow.
Does anybody else smell?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, it's 4th of July in a park,
And it's Pahrump.
and it's Pahrump, and a bunch of teenagers. Yeah. So what up, D? Yeah, there's definitely gonna be some pot here.
With all the racist jokes you tell, you sure do have a lot of friends.
What?
With all the racist jokes you tell, you sure do have a lot of friends.
Oh, I do. It's not in Pahrump.
Start over there.
Hopefully you don't tell them the jokes.
Oh, I do, and they start laughing.
No, no.
Hey, Stevie!